My name is Adam Vincent. In the choir, I have a solo in the very beginning, and then for the rest of it, I'm just singing along, supporting the rest of the choir as a bass. I think the performance went really well. There's a saying in marching band, and I feel like it's applicable in almost anything you do, there's always a better run. And the best way to take that advice is to always look forward to that next run. Always look forward to putting forth more effort and making more people smile and making more people cheer and clap.
All that can be sexy in the reflection passed me while I wasn't paying attention.
I'm definitely beyond excited for the season, definitely more than I was last year. But I'm definitely super excited to go to other schools and keep doing the show.
Oh, won't you take my hand and lead me slowly down?
I have a special thanks to everyone, and in particular my friend Alex Just. He and I have sort of been doing this the past 4 years. I didn't do it my junior year, but I participated in the combo, and just always having him there with me as a friendly face and someone who I can always talk to has been really helpful.
I definitely want to thank Mike Pearson, Antoine, all the combo, and Tex. They're all awesome. I guess both my parents for letting me do this because it takes up a lot of time and also a little bit of money, and my mom's the treasurer, so it takes up her time too. So I'm definitely thankful for both of my parents.
Thank you Rockbridge, thank you City Lights, and thank you Pearson and everyone for making this a great senior year to remember.
Definitely come see it. It's going to be awesome. We have the charity benefit coming up at some time. You'll find out later. And yeah, it's an awesome show. I'm very glad to be in it. Also, you guys should all do show choir. It's fun. So yeah.